everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So here I grabbed the plastic bottle. You can take the glass bottle or any other bottle available. Then I start to shape the foil just roughly. I was just keeping the shape in my mind, how I want to make her figure, and then I will start to stick it over the bottle. But make sure you are adding something in the bottle to make it heavy and sturdy, to make work easily for you. And then I will be wrapping this paper tape around the foil completely like this. And this is here I have folded a little bit piece of foil again to make the neck for her. After sticking the neck, I will be sticking the arms. I have twisted two foil papers. Then I will be sticking them here over the shoulders. And after sticking it with the shoulder, I will be using the paper tape to secure the arms, because after getting cold, the hot glue, maybe the foil will, the arms will come out from the shoulders. So just in case we have to secure the arms with the paper tape, then we will be working forward. So here I'm sticking the tape to secure the arms. And here I have some pieces of foil to stick it around the bottle on this part, like to make her curvy shape for her body. I will be leaving the bottom part straight as it is, but the thighs part I will be making it like this, a little bit curvy, to make a dress shape, like she is mostly holding the dress in her hand, near her hands, and the rest of dress is less on her feet side area. So then I will be sticking here the head for her. It's a little bit small. I will be making it bigger by keep adding the foil more. And then here I will be giving the shape to arms, so I can apply the clay. And after getting dry the clay, the arms will be holding the shape, so it's better to give them shape from now on. And then this is my homemade paper clay, which I will start to stick it all around her body, just on half of her arms until the elbow, her neck, her chest, her head. These things I will be covering it with the paper meshy clay. So here you can see how much I have applied the paper meshy clay on her body. And this is the cement. I have added some water in it, and you can see the consistency. It's not very runny and it's not very thick. Some people ask me that how much is the ratio. I do not measure any of my things. I just keep the idea in mind that how much thickness or those things I want. And this is the fabric, how much I want to make the wrinkles or trappings for her dress. I grab according to that the fabric. If you want to make flowing dress too much on the floor, you can add you can take more fabric. But if you want to make it in my way, this much fabric is enough, and I don't know how much is the length anyway. I will be keeping the idea for her, the style for her dress, like she's having too much draping and wrinkles of her dress near her hip area and legs, upper parts of the legs, but the bottom will be straight. So here near this part I will be adding more wrinkles. I will be bringing fabric from down to upward to create the wrinkles, draping for her dress. And the bottom, like it's like you can say she's holding her dress upward a little bit near her arms area, and the bottom part she's taking it away from the floor. This is the way I can explain you what I mean actually. So yeah, you can go for the flowing dress if you want. And then I will be taking some more pieces of the fabric to make her blouse, her shirt, like a little bit part on her dress, on her breast, and the rest she is folding around her arms. And the arms I didn't cover completely with the paper mache clay because I was going to cover this part of foil of her arms with the fabric, like she is putting the fabric of her dress, the parts of her dress on. And then some parts, tiny parts of the fabric also dipped with the cement, which I will be applying on her shoulders. One part will be on this side. I will be later on spreading it a little bit, like I will be making it a little bit wider piece after it came in my mind, after off camera I mean. Then the other piece I will be bringing it to the other arm, like this part of the dress, the stripe of the her dress or blouse is a little bit downward on her under her shoulder, down to shoulder, whatever. So I have let it dry overnight, and next day it was completely dry. Then I will be working forward now. This is the clay I have. This is my gold porcelain clay which I made last time, which I will be using today now to make her hair. Instead of using the paper mache clay to do not give her hair too much extra rough looks, that's why I'm using this smooth clay to make her hair. I have applied some glue over her head so it can stick properly, because paper mache clay is completely dry over her head, so I have to apply some glue to stick this gold porcelain clay on her head. And this is as well up to you, whatever style for her hair you want to make. You can make high upto or leave it open or anything, but I will be making some curls from both sides. A little bit hair are coming near to her shoulders, and then she will be wearing some kind of crown as well, roughly crown I'm making, not completely, like not crown you can say it, I don't know exactly, the band, hair band type with the flowers and those things. And yeah, this is here I'm giving the looks, the details for her hair. And this part of the clay is going to be on top of her head, like it's going to be somehow the part of her hair as well, and to give it the shape of floral band as well. Here with some more clay, I'm creating some roughly curls, big curls, and I will be bringing them downward from both sides of the shoulder. And with the same clay I have applied some clay over the foil as well to make her hand. like this, just roughly without any detailings and those things, because I love to create the texture for her, for the dresses of sculptures. So that's why I focus on those things more than their hands, face and those looks. Anyway, this is how it's complete now. And then I will be covering it with the white acrylic paint, but before that I will be sticking it with this thick piece of cardboard on the bottom. Like this, it will looks like a complete piece of decoration, and I will be covering it with the black acrylic paint later on. So here I'm using this white acrylic paint, which I will be covering all the dress, all of this sculpture with this color. I have to apply 2 to 3 types of colors. First I'm applying white color to cover the gray shade of the cement and the purple color of the paper mache clay. Then after the white, I will be applying golden color on top of this, acrylic golden. Actually, I don't want the color to be completely white, like chalk type color. So I want to give it a little bit off-white and wax color of the candle type wax color of sculptures. So I love that color. That's why I was doing 2 layers. First I applied for white acrylic paint, then I will be using the golden acrylic paint, and after that again I will be using white acrylic paint on top of this to merge and to spread the colors together to get the look I want. You can go only for one color, you can just simply spray it golden spray paint or silver spray paint, but this is my style, what was in my mind and I wanted to create, so that's why I'm using these things and colors. Here you can see now it's completely golden. Now on top of this again I'm applying the white acrylic paint. I'm applying the white acrylic paint while the golden color was wet, so it will be giving shades together after getting dry. So here now I'm using golden acrylic paint just for her band, and here in light actually you don't see the body shade a little bit different. It's not pure white chalk color. It's nice color what I wanted to do. And then again with the golden acrylic paint I'm highlighting the dress, not pure golden, just to highlight, spreading the shade into the dress more, just to highlight the shoulders for her dress and near to her arms and those things, just to do not keep it exactly all white, just to highlight the dress differently and to keep the body parts differently. So here we are done. I am so happy from this one. I loved it. It's so simple yet beautiful, and beautiful thing to keep it in your guest room as a decoration piece. And I'm thinking I will be making some more different ways like Greek style of sculptures in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned to watch. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and give me a like if you like this video. Comment down below what else you want to watch, and I will be coming with the new idea in new video. Till that, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.